Hi there, it's been a quiet time since I've started my fourth year high school here in DC NHS. But let me share to you a brief movie and what I've learned in ICT class from 1st to 4th grading. On the first breath, we started to discuss about HTML. HTML can be once performed using a program device called Notepad. Notepad is a small yet a very powerful software device in your personal computer. Turn back to the point. HTML is a file extension often used in making websites in order to protect your online file against multiple hacks. In this grading, we've learned how to make HTML file using Notepad. Simple linking, adding up background color, and putting up some more visual effects. But in order to achieve this knowledge about HTML via Notepad, one must memorize a lot of codes to put up all what you want on your HTML file. On the other side, we've also discussed about CSS or cascading style sheet. In our discussion, we've learned how to use CSS to control the style and layout of the multiple web pages all at once. Moving up to second grading, we now discuss about web making, but unlike in the first, we've used a more profound, more efficient program, Microsoft FrontPage. Using this program, we perform web making process, putting up more detailed and more visually appealing site. FrontPage is a Microsoft program which you can perform a lot of things to do in making your own website. In this program, you are now capable of performing a difficult designing and more complicated linking of page to page and site to site than you have done using Notepad, and lesser codes to be used because all commands are already in your front page. A future tutorial might be done so that you can use the front page properly. Now let's move to the final half of the year. In third grading, we've learned on how to make our own movie using the default program, the Microsoft Movie Maker. In this lesson, it may not be a moving character or a cartoon, but it's all about sliding some silly pictures in the slides to form a storyline. Each image has a bit of time on how it will appear, and also you're capable of putting up some visual effects before the another slide or picture will drive its way. And this presentation is the product of the Microsoft Movie Maker. And for the last grading, in the fourth period, we've discussed about computer hardwares. Computer has a basic part when it comes to hardware: monitor, mouse, keyboard, system unit, often called a CPU. In this topic, we've also learned how to assemble each part in its respective area. On the other hand, we've also discussed about software, particularly in reformatting a PC. Reformatting means reconditioning your computer and to get rid of viruses. It's all about renewing your PC, clearing up all the files, and installing again your operating system, and etc. And for the last, we've also got ideas on networking computers, particularly in three basic kinds of networking: bus network or mainline networking system, star network, networking with a hub particularly in NetShop, and ring network, the network of three or more computers. That's all, and thank you.